First you needed some Modelos and some tools, man. Alright, man, I'm changing the oil on a 2005 Porsche Cayenne. It ain't hard, man. Since it's a foreign car, you feel me, you gotta pay a lot of money and it costs extra. I ain't gonna lie to you, labor is a bitch, you feel me? If another nigga doing it, it's gonna be a bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. But other than that, all you gonna need is the 0W4 full synthetic. I use the Lucas because of the fact that it replaces 4 quarts, so I ain't gotta buy the other, what's the name? Got a little ticking, but and I got the Cayenne N filter. So it really ran me what, $30, you feel me? It ain't that much, you feel me? But if you go somewhere else and get it done, it's gonna charge you like probably $300, $500. No studio. But look, I'm gonna get to it though. Alright, so what you wanna do, man? An 8mm hex. 8mm. They told me to do the lower one first. After you do the lower, then you do the higher one. I'm gonna go ahead and start that right now. I'm about to try to start the engine while the plugs are off. See if the rest of the oil come out. I don't know if it's dangerous, I don't know, bro, but I'm about to do it. It cut off. It cut off. This is how it did look. Look at this shit. It's black, bro. This is how it's supposed to look. See it? Brand new oil.
Oil filter. You wanna play rough, huh? Dirty as a motherfucker. Yeah.
You can see oil filter whooped. It is reflection. Like it's really black, bro. It's not brown, it's black. Seal. 2 drain plugs. You said what? I need extension. Alright, man. Time to add this damn oil, bro. Let's get it in.
Found that one of these is supposed to fill up 4 quarts. Supposed to replace 4 quarts. So I got 5. It's supposed to replace 4. This is 5. Gotta replace 4. So that'd be 9. Hey, man, what you talking about, man? What up, man? What you doing, man? What's that for your YouTube channel? YouTube, cuz? What are you supposed to do, bro? I got somewhere. This is important to sponsor this nigga, cuz. Bitch ass niggas, fucking crackers. That's it. I'll be there, fuck up.
5 quarts. This is supposed to be 4 quarts. It's supposed to replace 4 quarts. That's what it says on the fucking thing, bro. 20%. They fucked up my shit, man.